What is up, guys? It is Brandon here. Welcome to my channel, The Refined Investor, where we go over topics like business, passive income, and investing. So yes, you did read the title of this video correctly. The app Calm is now offering their normally $70 a year subscription absolutely for free. But there's a catch. But before I get into that, if you guys are not familiar with what the Calm app is, it's an app that is essentially the #1 app in the sleep, meditation, and relaxation niche. It currently has over 50 million downloads and 700,000 5-star reviews. I actually originally had a paid subscription to this app at $70 a year, but I sort of fell off in my meditation game, and I was actually looking to get back on. But again, I was contemplating, do I really want to spend $70 a year on this app? Am I going to use it that much? But then this came across my email and it changed everything because, of course, it's free. Now, normally you're able to download Calm completely free from the app store that you use and use it with limited features, but I'm talking about getting the complete Calm app experience where you get access to the premium features, every feature in the app completely free. Now, I use the Calm app mainly for daily meditation, and then also they have a whole series called Sleep Stories, where they have different, sometimes celebrities or just people with really, really unique voices reading stories to you to help you fall asleep. So it's almost like ASMR when these people are reading these stories. So it's almost like someone's whispering in your ear, and it's a super relaxing sound to fall asleep to. And they are constantly adding a whole host of features. It almost seems like every week. So there's always going to be something new on the app so it stays fresh. So you guys are probably wondering, just get to the point already, how do I get the premium version of the Calm app completely free for 1 year? And I told you that there was a catch, right? So the catch is, yes, you can get the premium access version of the Calm app completely free for 1 whole year, and the only stipulation is that you have to be an American Express credit card user. Now, I myself am not an American Express credit card user, but I have a friend that is, and they didn't really even want to use a subscription. So I just asked them, like, hey, can you put in your credit card info on here? It's not going to charge you for a whole year. And when it does, I'll put a reminder on my phone to then tell you, and then I will cancel it myself. So to get this deal, I will link the link in the description down below. All you do is go click the link. It's not an affiliate link or anything. It goes straight to the Calm website. It's like Calm something / American Express, I believe, but again, I'll link it below. You just go in there, you fill in your information, and basically you just put in your American Express credit card or someone who has one, and you get instant access to Calm. And of course, they email you your credentials, and you go and you download the app and you log on, and you'll be able to access all the features that Calm has to offer 100% free. And again, that's a $70 value. When is the last time you downloaded an app and then made a $70 in-app purchase? I know that I have never done that. So it was a super awesome experience to be able to get the premium version of the Calm app completely free for a year. So I was super excited about this, so I just wanted to make a short little update on this. If you guys have any questions whatsoever on how you access this or how you get the Calm app free for a year, feel free to leave a comment down below as I get back to everyone. And of course, if you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up as it greatly helps out my channel. And of course, subscribe to my channel for future videos so you do not miss anything. All right, well, that's it for this video. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.